I'm Bob, and welcome to Safety Third Films. This is the other channel. I also do a comedy ham radio show on the K6 UDA channel, and I wanted a place to showcase my other filmmaking projects. Here, you'll find some of my other passions in life: RV travel, motorcycling, exotic scuba diving trips, and short films that are just, well, fun to watch. On my new series, Old Cop Moto Vlogs, I'll take you on one-day adventure rides throughout Northern California while talking about what I just retired from, being a street cop. I do gear reviews, bike reviews, and look at the world as a cop looks at it. I tell the good, the bad, and the ugly. My wife Karen and I just bought our third motorhome. While we're not full-timers and have no plans to become fully nomadic, we really enjoy the RV lifestyle and are taking longer trips to explore America and see and do things you just don't get from a hotel window. We've gotten fairly experienced at RVing, and we want to share our experience with you. We're also avid scuba divers. Each year, we travel to different parts of the world in search of the perfect dive. We find them all over the world. We invite you to tag along and see some of the best diving and exotic locations the world has to offer. We'll offer up our travel tips, gear selection, reviews, and some of the knowledge we've gained from 17 years of scuba diving. So how do motorcycles, RVs, and scuba tanks relate into a single YouTube channel? Well, it's about the adventure. My motto has always been, number 1, get the shot. 2, live everything to the fullest. And number 3, safety third. So please join us as we explore close to home and far off lands. We promise the adventure is worth watching.